Namaste students. Today we see the topic, not for the topic, it is your home assessment or home assignment, because the first lesson will be completed, the plant reproduction. What we see the topic, the seeds, the seed germination, that reproduction through the stem, root or leaves. We are see about the what is the stem, root or leaf, the modification of root, stem and leaf, dispersal of seeds and types of seeds we are seeing the last class, and the growing plants for agriculture. Next we see the topic is stages of agriculture. Now today we see the choose the correct answers. So this is your home assignment. First, which of the following is not needed for the germination? Which of the following is not needed for germination? Water, warmth, air, sand. So answer is sand. Second one is the baby plant inside the seed is called dash. The baby plant inside the seed is called dash. This answer is embryo. So third one is which of the following plants reproduce through the stem? Which of the following plants reproduce through the stem? You know very well, onion, turnip, tomato or bryophyllum. So answer is, what is that? Onion. So onion is one of the root stem modification. Seeds that dispersed by water have to dash. Seeds that are dispersed by water have to dash, have wings, be able to float, have spines, be fleshy. So how to disperse by water? Be able to float condition. Fifth one is which of the following is not rabi crops? Which of the following is not for the rabi crops? Wheat, radish, cotton, cauliflower. So answer is, you know very well, it is the cotton. Next we see the true or false. True or false? Correct the false statement. The seed is covered by seed coat. True or false? It's a true, because the seed is covered by the seed coat. It's a correct answer. It is the answer is true. Second one is the rose and hibiscus can be grown from stem cutting. The rose and hibiscus can be grown from stem cutting. True or false? It's a true, because it's a stem cutting plants. Next we see the third one question. Seed that have stiff air are dispersed by the wind. Seed that have stiff air dispersed by the wind is a false, because crops, the seeds that have stiff air are dispersed by animals. The seeds that have stiff air are dispersed by the animals only. Fourth question, crops that are grown in winter are called the kharif crops. Crops that are grown in winter are called kharif crops. It's a false statement. The crops that are grown in winter are called the rabi crops. So rabi crops is the answer. Fifth one, farmers add pesticides to make the soil fertile. Farmers add pesticides to make the soil fertile. It's a false statement, because the farmers add pesticides to kill the pests and insects. The farmers add pesticides to kill the pests and insects. Next, form the similar pairs of words. Form the similar pairs of pairs. Tea is to make of beverages, cotton and dash. Tea is a beverages, cotton is a fiber. Answer. Second one is dash and grass, bulb and onion. Dash and grass, bulb and onion. What is the answer? Runner and grass. So runner plants is a grass, bulb and onion. Water and lotus, dash and maple. Water and lotus, dash and maple seeds. So water means is aquatic plants, lotus, dash and maple seeds. It is example I will told you. It's a wind. Answer is wind and maple seeds. Fourth one, rice and dash. Rice and dash, millets and sandy soil. So rice and dash, millets and sandy soil. The answer is rice and it is the clay soil. Are you using the clay for the other purpose, or using the craft work, anything work, or using the clay? That is the rice and clay soil. Fifth one is wheat and dash, rice and kharif. Wheat and dash, rice and kharif. So wheat and dash is a rabi crops. The rice and is a kharif crops. This is the answer. So children, I will just give to the answers will be given for you. Are you using this answers and write the practice it at your home? This is the important one. So students, I hope you all understand this question answers. So one words. If you have any doubt this video, you can ask me through the WhatsApp children. Thank you.